Well, gonna get everything put away in the canoe. It's falling apart on me. Alrighty. Well, the river still seems to be, oh wow. I just missed that. There is an eagle diving at a duck. Is that ever cool? That eagle hungry. But I'm going to turn it around here and give you a little view of the river. As you can see, it's running pretty fast. The water did go out. The water did go out last night. And go down a bit. It's not, still not feasible for me to get onto it. I really don't feel comfortable with it. It's going a little bit too fast. There's my eagle friend again. And I just want to be able to get onto it safely. So I'm going to do some walking again this morning. I feel good. My feet are still a little bit sore, but not too bad. Take it easy on them today. And I'm sure everything will work out. But I know this river's lit up real bad down below, and hopefully we'll get some shots in on that. I just had a nice interview with Amy from CBC. That was awesome. And my boy Spitz, hey, come here, my puppy. Come here, my good boy. Oh, big stretch. Show everybody how big you are. Hey, that's a good boy. Up on that, up on that. Up on that. Hey, there we go. We're doing great. What's behind you? Anything behind you? Hey? That's a good boy. Handsome devil, ain't I? Got that little scruff going on there. I hear girls like that, though. Try to get everything put in here somewhat balanced, so I got a little bit of weight, just enough to make me feel like I'm hauling something. But at the same time, I'm not getting too strenuous on it. My tires seem to be holding up all right. Again, I had to switch over to my shoes because my feet got so bad. I need something softer on the bottom with it, so toughing it out with my boots. Not feasible on this trip. My trusty hat. Hands are starting to feel a little bit better too. They're starting to callus up nice. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. You know what would make a wicked tent? If you can ever make a zipper that doesn't get caught up when you do the thing down, or you do it up. That would be a miracle. That would be an awesome tent. If you could find a tent or make a zipper that doesn't catch on the goddamn flap every time. Okay, I'm going to shut this down here, and then once I get her all up and running, we'll continue on with our bad selves.